Let's look at this question. The cost of renting a backhoe for up to 10 days is $270 for the first day and $135 for each additional day. Which of the following equations gives the cost y in dollars of renting a backhoe for x days where x is a positive integer and x is less or equal to 10? So we're given that 270 cost for the first day and each additional day is 135. We're also given that y is the total amount of renting a hoe and x represents x days of purchasing a backhoe after the first day. So how can we look for the answer? Well, we're given that it's 270. The first day is 270 and each additional day is 315. So to look for my answer, I'm going to plug in x equals 1. So when x equals 1, that equals 1 day of rent. So when I plug in 1 for one of these answer choices, I should get 270 to represent that the first day, it's going to be 270, and in the second day, it's going to represent 270 plus 135 because each additional day after the first day is going to equal $135 extra. So let's plug in x equals 1 for A through D, and which one gives us 270. If I plug in 1 for A, I'm going to get 270 minus 135, and that's going to equal 135, so A is incorrect. If I plug it for B, I'm going to get 270 plus 135, and that's going to equal 405. Well, that would be correct if we were looking for the day after the first day. But x represents 1 day, the first rental day. So B would be correct if it was 2 days, not 1 day. So B is incorrect. If I plug in C, I'm going to get 135 plus 270, which again equals 405, so that's incorrect. So ultimately, D should be my answer, right? Well, let's make sure. If I plug in D, if I do 135 plus 135 when x equals 1, that's going to represent 270. That goes with the first day. So let's make x equals 2 and see if that makes sense. So when x equals 2, representing 2 days, I'm going to get 270 plus 135, and I'm going to get the value of 405 when it's the second day, representing an extra $135 for each additional day. So our answer is going to be D.